Welcome to Consumer Insights Pro. Today we're highlighting a few products designed to assist you in your culinary education. Sit back, relax, and take a few notes as we start your journey. Hey there, future culinary superstars. Welcome to another exciting video, brought to you by Consumer Insights Pro. Today, we have something special in store for all you aspiring chefs out there. We're going to talk about getting ready for culinary school, so you can hit the ground running. We will also be featuring 3 must-haves for your culinary school needs. Listen, before you even step foot into a culinary school, you need to have the right tools of the trade. These are the essential items you should have in your arsenal: chef's knife, cutting board, pots and pans, measuring tools, thermometer, whisk, spatula and tongs, peeler and grater, and oven mitts and apron. Let's also remember that you may be required to purchase your own knife set and specific textbook for your culinary class. Now that you've got your tools ready, let's talk about some challenges you might face in culinary school. Time management. Culinary programs are intense. Balancing classwork, practicals, and assignments can be a real juggling act. Precision and consistency. Cooking is a science. You'll need to learn precise techniques and reproduce them consistently. Pressure and stress. The kitchen can get hectic. Be prepared to work under pressure and stay calm. Criticism and feedback. Your instructors will critique your work. Use it as a chance to improve, not a reason to be discouraged. Long hours. Be ready for long days on your feet. Proper footwear is essential. But don't worry. Here are some tips to help you succeed in culinary school. Practice at home. Before school starts, practice basic skills at home to build confidence. Stay organized. Keep your tools and workspace tidy. Organization is your best friend in the kitchen. Ask questions. Don't be afraid to ask your instructors for clarification or advice. Learn from mistakes. Failure is a part of growth. Embrace your mistakes as opportunities to learn. Stay inspired. Follow food blogs, watch cooking shows, and explore different cuisines to stay inspired. So, there you have it, future culinary stars. With the right tools, a good understanding of the challenges ahead, and these helpful tips, you're well on your way to passing culinary school. Remember, it's a journey, not a sprint. So enjoy every moment of it. Also, don't forget to click on the 3 product links in the video description to help get the ball rolling. Thanks for tuning in, and best of luck in your culinary adventures. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks and product recommendations. Until next time, happy cooking!